we could also do like other the maneuver. We could also like do first and you would see how our guys do it, so that after we could integrate. We could like have one of our team join yours.
Yeah, they all the individual teams do all their rehearsals, and then after that we'll combine.
Yeah.
Oh, hey! How about you just above their head? Let's do it! Hey, there's a wire. Hey, you're getting heavy fire! Grab it 320! Yes. 130 meters. 130 meters. HEO! Those shots go from the top of the mountain down to about center on the mountain. How my shots? How my shots? Tailed way over. Hit the top of the.
NDKIA. Director withdrawing freight.
6792 break. Machine gun bunker was roughly 50 meters. One actual, I copy RTB, break. Improve direction giving.
Second spot, stay out of their way. Heavy effective suppression.
It's you!
Anderson, what's your range?
Move!
Open.
One every two!
Bang.
Yeah, move it!
Ano na? Shipfire ka, shipfire ka! Ano ka, babarilin mo sila? Hindi, sir. Barnes!
Ceasefire, sigaw, ceasefire,
Ceasefire!
sigaw.
Withdraw!
Huwag tumawa!
Sa kanya sad.
Takbo! Sige!
Guys, 2-3, nasa taas yung kalaban nyo.
Bang! Bang!
Bang. Cover and move. Cover and move.
Moving! Hey, Brew, I'm moving!
Bang.
Hey, I'm good. Go, Brew, go!
Go.
ATS!